Hi guys, Gael level here. That's right, I have another juicy animated overlay pack for y'all. In this pack you will find a starting soon screen, a be right back screen, and an ending stream screen. You will also find a bunch of panels. About, subscribe, donate, specs, rules, social, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Discord, merch. The pack also includes 2 simple camera overlays. Download yours now at gumroad.com/Gael level for the amazing price of 99 cents. What? Yes, I did say 99 cents. Now go download it before I change my mind. Guys, I'm trying to get to 1000 subs to keep my content monetized and make more videos for you. So please consider subscribing, leave a like, and share it with your streamer friends. Thank you so much for watching, I love you. Robot Gael level out.